It started 5 years ago, when I moved to Germany. The thing is, you need to collect everything that is biodegradable and throw it into this container. Since it's very tedious to go downstairs to throw away every banana peel, you need to collect this trash at home. This was my first solution. As you can see, it's not only collecting waste, it's also collecting moist. To improve ventilation, I hang this bag outside. As you can see, it's also very pleasant to use. Behold, the game changer is coming! Simple, reliable, easy to set up, and can stand by itself. Wonderful choice! What could go wrong, right? That's what you call soggy bottom. I guess I need to fix it as well. Drum roll! Let me introduce you to this internal part of IKEA salad dryer. Finally, this solution makes the ventilation possible from all the sides. After living like this for a year and a half, I decided finally to make a custom solution. I took my 3D pen and started creating a box. I wanted to make it geometrical, built out of such panels. Around the time I was finishing the first one, I thought, wait a second, actually I can use the form of the bag itself, since the pen can print right on paper. Here we go. My favorite superhero was always Spider-Man. Maybe this is the reason why I enjoyed weaving the web around this paper bag. Since I already had one side printed, I used it as a bottom of my container. At this point, I don't know if it worked out. Moment of truth. Final step. I need to create some legs to avoid soggy bottom effect. This one I print separately. It will support the container in the center. Make it flat and nice, clap, clap, clap. Try to find the center and attach it in a way that no one sees it. Cover it with your hand, shoot white on white. Actually, here it is. I hope you saw it. Nicely done. And no, not that nicely. Gotta remake it. Cut the tip out. Remake it. Retest steadiness. This time it works nicely. I can breathe out. Finally, it's done. My bio-waste container journey ends here. I don't know what's your opinion, but I think that satisfaction has banana flavor.